Hey guys, what's up? The people from my Brazil. Oh my god, I'm so nervous to do this video because I don't know speak English so good, but it's my new challenge. E aí, gente, tudo bem com vocês, né, gente? Eu tô assim muito nervosa, né, porque eu vou gravar esse vídeo. Eu não sei muito inglês, tá? Então, gente, eu vou fazer esse vídeo aqui, né, gente, pra testar o meu inglês. E, claro, vai ter legenda aqui, né, pra você acompanhar. Então, vamos começar este vídeo, né? And after all, you have to subscribe here in my channel, okay? Let's subscribe together. It's very, very, very strange to me to say this. Give your like, let's do a like together. I'm gonna do a natural makeup, okay? And it's very fast because I don't know how to say all the products in English, so I have my cell phone here to help me some things. Okay, let's start. I used Nivea moisturizing. I don't know if this way that this calls. I used that and passing on my face, and I started with my eyebrow, fill it with the eyebrow shadow Ruby Rose, because Ruby Rose it's very, very cool, and Nivea is Nivea. Now I'm gonna start with the primer, Studio Perfect Photo Love Primer of Ruby Rose 2. Okay guys, after all, we're gonna to wait this, how can I say, secar em inglês, né? Como é que eu digo? Esperar isso aqui secar. I'm gonna wait this secar. Vou esperar isso aqui secar no meu face. Na minha face, né, gente? After all, we're gonna to pass the foundation, and the foundation is from Ruby Rose 2. My color is L4, and we're gonna pass this with foundation pencil. Okay guys, now I'm going to pass this powder, banana powder, that I use so much. It's from Luisance. It's very, very cheap. You can find in all the ways you're going. Guys, just remember this makeup is very natural, okay? It's not professional or something like that. Okay, we're going to let the skin absorb, deixar a pele absorver, né, gente, esse pó pouco, before we take the pencil, the large pencil, and to, como é que eu digo, varrer, hein, gente? Google Translator, please help me.
Como dizer varrer em inglês?
Sweep it up.
Sweep it up. Okay, now we're gonna to sweep it up this powder. Okay, after all, sweep it up this powder, we're going to pass the thing that I like too much is the blush. Oh, finally, the same name of product. Okay, let's pass this blush on our cheeks. Going to pass the highlighter. Oh, I forgot to say this product is from Jasmine, and this highlighter is from Luisance. It's Glow Gorgeous Iluminador. I don't know how to say this in English. It's in top of our cheeks. Oh my god, look at this glow on my nose here that I don't know this name, in my mouth, and in the other side too. Now we're going to pass this mascara, alongamento, máscara, escândalo, quem disse, Berenice. Let's pass this on our eyelashes. And after of it, like this makeup is very simple, we're going to pass the bronzer. The bronzer is from Luisance too. We're gonna pass with the same pencil of blush. Look, all this glow. It's luminous bronzer L. In my head. Vini, pesquisa aí teste em inglês, por favor. Forehead. It's forehead. It's forehead. It's forehead. Forehead. Okay, guys.
Como se fala testa em inglês?
Forehead.
I remember. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, now I'm going to pass this eye pencil in my eye. Okay, when I take the sponge off the powder, false powder here in my face again, so you're gonna swipe again. Now we're going to the last step, that is, oh my god, now I remember that I forgot to pass the concealer, but now don't need anymore. The last step is to pass the lip tint and lipstick of Grandma. It's very popular here in Brazil and very old too, but it's very good. It's pink, and I'm gonna pass here on my mouth, on my lips. And it's okay, we finished our makeup. Very natural and easy to do. Clap to me that I did this video all in English, and very proud of me because it's very hard to make. Okay guys, and this is the makeup. It stay here on. Very natural, very simple to do, very easy to do. If you are looking for some makeup easy to do, here is one. Então, gente, eu falei, nem sei se o que eu falei tá certo, né? Mas eu falei algumas coisas assim, formulei algumas frases com palavras que eu já sabia e outras eu dei uma olhadinha aqui no celular, né, gente, pra me ajudar. E a experiência, né, de ter feito esse vídeo foi assim, né? Gostei bastante, né, gente? É muito importante a gente saber inglês, saber outras línguas, né, pra poder se comunicar se um dia a gente for viajar pra fora, né? E é muito legal, gente. E eu fiquei muito nervosa, né, assim, falar inglês, porque é muito difícil, assim, na frente das câmeras, né, falar inglês. E eu tava aqui olhando pro Vini, dá vontade de rir de vez em quando, né, mas fala. Mas é assim mesmo, né, gente, a gente tem que aprender inglês. E, gente, o vídeo foi esse, eu espero muito que vocês tenham gostado. Não esqueçam de deixar o seu like aqui. Inclusive, né, gente, se você ainda não deu like, vamos dar like juntos, hein? E claro, gente, se você já deu like agora, né, que a gente deu like juntos, vamos se inscrever aqui no canal. E é isso, gente, o vídeo foi esse, espero muito que vocês tenham gostado. E até o próximo vídeo. Bye, bye!